Hello, humans. We are the business birds, and this is strictly business.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm done. Alright. What? We have a war coming in here. The brushes versus the pigeons. This is the biggest war I think we're about to have. World War III, alright? And the VR world is gonna be insane. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm as scared as you are right now. All of you people out there, all of you. We all need you to join the pigeons, the birds,
Yes.
and everything. Now, the brushes, they are bad people, alright? They take people's families away from us. It is devastating. But the one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna stop that. We're gonna stop everything from happening. We're gonna stop them stealing our kids, stealing our food, stealing our everything, right? This is gonna be the biggest thing we have ever done in mankind, alright? This is crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Alright. But the thing is, the kids that are being stolen, the food that is being stolen, is all just devastating. We need to stop them now. And no matter what cost, we will stop them. But we need your help for this. Alright?